Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla! Alright, everybody, you don't know who this is already. This is the Skilla. Yes, so me I said to you. Alright. BUJU Banton and his son Markus myrie got into an altercation, and there has been speculation and confirmation about that situation. Am I rhyming? Anyways, the speculation part of it is that them said that the father BUJU Banton kicked his son Markus myrie. The confirmation part of it is that Markus myrie leave a string of Instagram update on his Instagram page. So we already gone through the speculation part because I just tell you, so I'm going to go to the confirmation part to see what's up. So please observe with me. Now, as we touch upon the page, the first thing him said that so much drama since December, this man needs to go back to prison and dead in there. At real Donald Trump, why pre? 2 question signs. Comfy BUJU official PLZ, which means please, with the hands clasped. You see what I'm saying to you? And next part of it, right, it says that, and you know you're fucked up when you come from prison. Out of your 17 children, not even 10 was genuinely happy that daddy is back. Great artist, yeah, but write me off your list, pussy. Or should I say write me off of your list, pussy. Alright, we have to take a little stop right there. So you see me I say, because this is the part where really reach me now. See me? More the tweet to come in. I have something more for show you what him say. But I have to looking at some part of it where, you know, it's like you have to think outside of the box. Because some of the time, some people do some things for hurt you. Especially like, say like him have a girlfriend and the girlfriend want to kick a revenge. You know what I say to you? Knowing that if a post like this go from film phone online, it will do great damage. You see what I say to you? Yeah, because I couldn't publicity stunt that. I know say that way see right there, so I could never, I would have never ruined him father reputation for publicity stunt. You see what I say? I not believe say me that do that. You see what I say? But with all the hackers and all these other people who do spite revenge and all them things, you have to really and truly think outside of the box. You can't just quick to jump the gun and go say, yo, I diss him though, and try like disrespect the man. You don't know what happened yet. This is just like something just instantly happened. But as we go along the line, we know. But anyway, in the done here so yet. That's what I say. Listen up the rest of the message I post in the Instagram story, you know. Parents love respect and can't understand says a two-way street. But my mother never grew me if you take disrespect batty man. You can't talk to me any way you want. Me not have to itch up round you for nothing. And me not stretch out my hand to you or depend upon you. And it hurt you say, you can't get to take liberty on me, don't it? And when him say don't, you see me I say, but blessed is the child that has his own. And me I press charges. That's the big part of it. And me I press charges. You notice me try to make sure I read out that simple, because guess what? My patois, you know. Patois not easy for read, you know. Maybe tell you that for now. Patois and not something simple for read. You see what I say? So bear with me with that. But you know, what a big thing we're going right now. You see me I say? I mean, I know me can't believe it. The man, his son really come out as far as, and there's a part tonight when him state and say cokehead. You mean, you know me, like really and truly for your son, it must be really hurt for him to go this far. You see me I say? Yeah, so back to the point where me I say to you, sometimes we can't just quick to jump the gun, because today you might see this happen and then tomorrow you might be surprised say as somebody take a revenge. Somebody got to him phone, took up him phone and start sift through it and just get the idea say, oh, me can ruin the reputation because it's a revenge. You see what I say to you? So when you there here so now, I jump up in excitement and the pan blows and skirt of that one, him disrespect and gray and black. And I must so it go. You see me? And then the next thing again about it now is social media now. That's the thing with social media now. Social media now quick for run with things. You see me? And they will run with certain things. You know, it's like them love the negativity. You see, because if this was something positive what happened a while ago, you'd never hear them run with it like that. So, you see me I say, them just love run with the negativity fast, all over the place like a track and record thing. You see me I say, but for you, my viewers, me I tell you, say, you listen what I want, but I want to listen with an understanding mind, because anything is possible. You see me I say, yes, we know say you have people out there who disrespect them parents too. We know that. You see me I say, but at the same time, yeah, because me never know say so much pitney Buju they have, to be honest, you know what I mean? So obviously this man keep him family life on a certain level. You see me I say? So when me hear 17 kids, me I say, wow. And when me I go have so much pitney? You see me I say to you? You see it? Yeah man, so you my viewers, I want to practice for do things the way how me would do things. You see me I say? And that is to keep an open mind, you know? Keep it level, don't quick for run with things like how you see people on social media will do with things and say, yeah, I saw it go, I saw it go. Sometimes, really and truly, they're far from go so. You see what I said to you? Alright, so we'll get back to the rest of where myself on him Instagram page, or the Instagram story, I should say, right? The update part. There's a part of him where him say, like, he might talk to the fans, them saying that all who rate him, or who follow him, or who dislike him, which in the word look like dislike, but we're gonna say it is dislike, you know, because of Buju can move along hashtag Markus record. So make a recap that again, you know, all who rate him, all who follow him or dislike him because of Buju can move along. That's basically what I'm saying. You see me I said to you? So he might try to make that out there, you see me? Then there is another part of it where say fucking crooked. That are the part that stick out the most, like it's a sore thumb. See me? Yeah, like a sore thumb, for real. Everybody in my, that's the first thing you're gonna hear say, put your son, call him crooked. That's the first thing. You see me I say? You know, to be honest, dysfunction in a family, you know, not because he won't be the first artist that we have heard with this kind of thing before, you know. There's quite a few artists where hit the spotlight when it comes to these kind of things. You see what I say? But however, them not up on the spot right now. You see what I say? We're talking about the news we're happening right here, right now. You see what I say to you? And about the speculation where them say Buju kick him down, the fact that him say he's going to press charges, does that like it mean say, you know, like, is that a confirmation that the kick really happened? Because, you know, to me, it must be a kick, you know. Maybe in goodly drape him up, or maybe in goodly mash up all the laptop or something. You see what I say? So sometimes, you know, you tell one person a story in the ears, you know, you ever get that thing at school and then tell you something in your ears and them say pass it down the line. And when they tell the person up there's a break, by the time reach down this appear. So you don't know, you know what I say, people speculate and say what they feel like. So you can't just run with it. That I will me try to get in everyone's head right here. So you see me? You can stay tuned. You know what I mean? Look, stay tuned for see what I go on, is what I say. And for recap with what I go on, is what I say. Markus, myrie, which is Buju Banton's son, lash out at his father on Instagram story. This is what I say, on Instagram page in the story or the update part. Enough people that call it the update. This is what I say to you. We don't hear nothing from Buju Banton as yet. It has been speculated that Buju Banton kick him down. Yes, what I said to you. The only confirmation we have from it is that him said that him going to press charges in the text them where it's right there, so we don't know how much that is. That's what I said to you. Yeah. So that's a family affair. Don't go in between it. You go in between it, you might be the one to get squashed. You ever hear say cockroach no business is a foul fight? Well, something like that. That's what I say. Alright, so about the situation, let me know what you think. You know, leave in the comments down below. You don't know the thing set already for Dancehall. Keep it clean, you know, because it's a family friendly thing. And more keep the respect for everyone and all. That's what I say. And if you're new to my channel and you want to stay up to date, you have to click the subscribe button. You know, if you know what going in and around the world of Jamaica and out in the world out there. Is that what I say? Alright, so big up to you, my viewers, and all these people. Is that what I say? And if you need to contact the skiller, you don't know how to do it already, reading the description down below might help. You know, my name is Skilla, and that we just see is Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.